I'll go down to one spring. Today I'm going to go down to a medium spring, and I'll do the pull-ups holding on to the bar. So I slide back, palms turn down, knees into chest, and I go up. So as I'm doing this, I'm thinking pull the bar down towards my body, which activates my biceps nicely so that as I go up and down, it's almost like I'm trying to do a bicep curl, but of course the chain stops me from doing that. 2 more, strong center. Now I'm going to flip right into palms up, no rest, and go. 5, strong middle. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to put my feet down. Now I'm going to do one arm bicep curls. So I'm going to adjust my feet. I like to start pretty high at the top of this. So rather than starting with the arms straight, I start with my arm bent. I'm also really using my feet. So that's helping me so that I don't get into danger of kind of wrecking my shoulder. So, because this can feel heavy on, like a little too much on the shoulder. So I'm working a little slower on these. And again, that's just kind of something that I struggle with in my own body. This is 6, switch arms. 1, and I'm just barely letting my feet be enough of an assist that I'm not working too heavy. 4, 5, 6. Other arm again, 6 times. 1, 3, 4. 1 more. Switch arms, and 1. 4, 5, and 6, and lower. Now find the foot bar, come all the way in. We're going to come up. This next thing you need to be a little careful on. We're going to take all the springs off. You'll lie down, then you're going to walk your feet back. So from here, I like to position myself so that my eyes are directly under the wooden bar. My feet are very parallel, and I'm pressing them actively down so that I get kind of that glute hamstring work here. And I'm going to work really hard to stabilize the carriage as I do my tricep presses, which is a lot harder than it seems. 4, press with the feet. 5, my elbows are out for the first set. 8, 9, 10, halfway down, pulse above that level. 10, 9, 6, 5, 2, 1, all the way up. Turn your hands so that the arms will move now parallel, elbows shaving the ribs, and press it up. And use your feet to stabilize your carriage. So as the arms come down, the carriage wants to roll back, but you're using those legs. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and halfway down, low pulses. Down, 2, hold the carriage. 9, 10, taking it up, bring it down. Now carefully walk yourself all the way in. And then just be careful, make sure that you haven't forgotten that you have no springs attached. So we're going to take the spring now to just one blue. I'm going to lower the foot bar down and turn around. From here, I'm just going to place my hands down on the mat and reach my foot back to this position. So I have basically my hands under my shoulders, my foot is back here, and I'm going to see if I can do some planking without letting the carriage roll. So I press down into my arms, into my hands, and I'm going to start to just lighten my knee, and then eventually I find this plank. And I just hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, knees down. Now I'm going to come in and put the left leg up first, roll the carriage out, and I just find that plank again. So digging the foot down into the foot bar, lightening my right knee, lightening it a little more, and the foot goes back. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, bring it down. Now I'm gonna take it into a pike. So it's gonna be a pretty small pike because the foot bar is down. Let's take it back again, or roll it out again rather. All right, from here, lighten the knee. That's a nice way to get connected before you lift your leg. Put the foot back, tuck the head, pike up, it's tiny, slide it out. 2 more, pike up, slide it out. 1 more, up and down, knees down, and rest. Take your hand.